a little warm today, brothers. I think I might have to order an intercooler during this video. Oh, wait a second. I just ordered the PRL intercooler with the charge pipes, the full package, from my guy John Vega at Fearable. And according to PRL, it's gonna ship out the first week of April. And I asked John because I waited 2.5 months last year when I ordered the PRL intercooler and charge pipes for my Tension SI. He said that they have been on track with their projected ETAs lately. So let's hope that it gets here in time. It's like low 70s, mid 70s today. Let me show you guys this here. The Type R accidentally saw some off-road action. Brandon St. Randy knows what happened. She's okay. She's a solid machine. Actually, I keep flip-flopping. I don't know if it's a boy or a girl. But I have something here that I need to go pick up at USPS, which is another modification for the Type R. You guys are not expecting this one. I said this was something that was gonna happen around midsummer, but the plans have accelerated, just like this car. Oh my God, it's so quiet. I just watched Tyler Torres's video. If you guys don't know who he is, he has a YouTube channel called T Torres. Pretty cool. He's also in the Air Force, so I talked to him a little bit about that. He's in Florida. I'm here in California. But he just put on his AWE exhaust, and it sounds really, really good. Can't wait for mine to get here. Oh, I love Van Halen. Also in this video, which I'm really excited about, it's a little touch that makes a big difference in my opinion. I'm gonna install the Unity Performance side markers. I got the smoked with amber LED. I think the contrast, the amber with the black, it's gonna look really, really good. As of right now, I'm officially done night shift. I'm supposed to work well, I was supposed to work tonight, Saturday night, into Sunday morning, but I got tonight off. Ladies and gentlemen, having the Type R next to the Cobra is going to be amazing. So right after I got done filming the last video with the 9th gen, we were at a stoplight and this 1998 Rio Red Cobra pulls up next to me. It's the same color that I'm getting. And it was this older gentleman and he was just chilling, dude. One arm on the wheel, leaned back, like really old guy, but really cool guy. This Cobra looked so good. Vivian was in the passenger seat with the GoPro in her hands and she just hesitated. She didn't start filming because she's a lot more considerate than me. You know, she's not just gonna start filming and put it on somebody without their permission, which is good. That's good. I guess I need to be more considerate. But in an instance like that, I really wish she would have got that on camera. It had the side exhaust. So it had the pipes coming out the sides. Obviously you have to get a body kit for that. But my friend Christian Michelson, who's in Florida, I've been talking to him for a long time. He has this beautiful 8th gen SI right here. Yeah, I know. He has it really well done. It sounds really good too. And it pulls hard.
1, 2, 3.
He's had a bunch of cars and I'm gonna have him on for a video very, very soon. He had a Cobra. He had an SN95 Cobra. He did a bunch of modifications to it. So he's gonna be helping me out a lot when I get that car. I'm so excited. It was beautiful. Oh, also this guy at the stoplight, he had a supercharger. So I started talking to him. I said, hey, I'm about to buy one, blah, blah, blah. The last thing he said before he took off was, you need a supercharger. I'm like, all right, brother. I probably will get one. So a package of this size from John Vega. I wonder what that could be. I really do wonder. I don't know what it is. I'm just kidding. I know what it is. Let's just say, brothers and sisters, let's just say that I'm gonna have to find some 5.0s to race extremely soon. Like, very, very soon. I totally gave it away now. Oh, also, what the heck do you guys think about the 400Z or the, I think it was leaked. So it's gonna have 400 horsepower, obviously, I think a 7-speed auto and the 6-speed manual. If anyone buys an auto, I'm not going to agree with your decision, but let's save the manuals, guys. Let's really save the manuals. And it's just gonna be called the Nissan Z, which it's okay, but I think they really could have done better. The 400Z would be cool. It just 400Z, it just sounds good, it flows. But also, Fairlady Z would have been really cool. Like, we've seen pictures of the Z with Fairlady Z on the back. So why don't they just call it the Fairlady Z? Put her into sport mode, guys? Let's give her some Action Jackson. We don't want the same thing to happen that happened with Brandon St. Randy last night, though. Yeah, I took my friend at work for a ride last night. I don't know, 2 in the morning. I was doing pretty well until I discovered the limitations of this car's handling. And that's all I'm gonna say on that. Charlie, what are we about to do? So I just watched my old video to remember what to do, and I realized it's almost been exactly a year since I put the side markers on my Tension SI. Pretty crazy how that stuff works, man. So right after I get these on, I am gonna give it a wash, and then at sunset, I'm gonna get my Sony a6000, and we're gonna go find a nice spot and take some pictures. First thing we're gonna do is just pull back your fender liner a bit. Once we're in there, we're gonna push on the side marker. There. So here's the stock bulb, and all you're gonna do is just pull it out. Okay, so how did I get these side markers when a lot of you guys have been waiting on them for a long time? Well, I've been friends with the owner of Unity Performance. His name's Hamza, ever since I got my SI. And I texted him and said, hey man, do you have any side markers that maybe didn't make the cut that you wouldn't mind, you know, sending to me? So obviously I paid for them, and he just wanted me to tell you guys that these aren't perfect, but they look great to me. So I'm excited. Okay, so he gave us a replacement ring for this right here. So take this off. Take this one that he gave you, put her on, and then stick this inside. There, once you get it back in, we're good to go. Okay, I take it back. For the Type R, since Honda used the same length for this connector right here for the, for the side marker light, you are gonna have to unscrew the fender liner so you can get your hand in there. So now I have my hand in there just like that, so that I can keep pressure on the back of this so I can plug it in. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen. Now it really needs a wash. I picked up one of these hoses. A couple of you guys told me to get one of these, the ones that are lightweight and expand and contract. So got 100 foot. Look at this, I'm redeeming myself. We have a freshly washed wash mitt. It was washed in hot water. And look, it's not gonna touch the ground. How about that? Supposedly this hose is not supposed to kink, but so I just sprayed it down, and as you can see, the wax that I put on a few weeks ago is holding up all right. It's doing an okay job. It's doing better on top than it is down here. I got a new toy. One of these really absorbent towels. I don't know what it's called, but I found it at Walmart, and we'll see how good she works. Okay. Oh, that definitely does not work as advertised. Huh. This is a real piece of... Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go air dry this instead. There's a moment of truth, guys. That looks super good. Oh, I'm so happy I got amber. And you know what? Who's to say I can't get both? At one point in time with my SI, I had both the white LED and the amber. The amber looks so good. Okay, we need to go take some pictures. It's a beautiful night here. So by this point, I've already done my 20,000 subscriber special. I did a live stream yesterday, Sunday. And you know what? I feel so freaking bad. I forgot to answer some people's questions that they DM me on Instagram. And also the worst of all, some people donated money in the super chat and they asked questions, and my mom, at the same time they did that, my mom submitted a super chat thing for $100, and then I told the story of how I came to be, and my mom was a single mom while going through nursing school and all that type of stuff. So I am gonna respond to the guys I missed when I pull over and we take some pictures. Nice V6 Challenger, brother. I'm gonna do another group drive this Saturday. So we're gonna go up to Auburn, California. If anyone wants to meet me here in Rockland and drive out to Auburn with me, meet me at Twin Oaks Park in Rockland at 9:15 a.m. this Saturday. We're gonna be doing the twisty rows this time. So it's a good thing I had learned this car's handling limitations the other night, so I don't yeet myself off the side of the mountain. You know, I don't really know if this intake was worth it, guys. I mean, all it does is make a tiny, tiny bit more sound over stock. And, you know, it's not the money that bothers me. I have plenty of money for modifications, and I would have done an intake eventually. But the sound difference is just so minimal. I mean... This is where I've been getting my exhaust clips, right here on this road. I have about 5% battery in my camera. I'm gonna make these count. It's still too light out, guys. Okay, the first super chat donation question I missed. This is from JJMS3 Performance, and he's been commenting on my videos a lot. I'm really sorry I missed this, dude. He says, you'll hit 50K for sure by the end of the year. Don't know how much this donation will be because I'm sending in Canadian dollars, LOL. Love the videos, man. Thank you so much. I will try my best to hit 50,000 subscribers this year. I don't know if it'll happen, but I think getting rid of the 9th gen and switching it up will definitely help a lot. And as I get more parts on the Type R and do bigger things with it, hopefully more people subscribe. I really just want to entertain people. That's really what I want to do. Another one I missed, Jose Sanchez. He said, "Mad love, brother, congrats, you deserve it," and donated $5. What a real one. Thank you, Jose. Oh my goodness. One of the questions I missed from my Instagram DMs is from Matthew Reynolds. He said, if you could have one dream build, no matter how expensive, but it could be your only project car, what car would it be and what mods? I need to take some pictures and we'll think about that one. Only one project car? Holy crap. Oh, that's gorgeous. Definitely not supposed to be parking on the side of the road like I am. It's really not picking up the side marker that well. Oh, that's a beautiful picture. All right, we're all done with that. I'm gonna post some of those pictures on my Instagram. And guess what I'm about to go buy? You guessed it, a cheeseburger for Vivian. She just can't get enough of those cheeseburgers, man. When she's pregnant, this is gonna be like an everyday thing. Okay, I'm gonna try to answer Matthew's question, but off the top of my head, I really don't think I'll be able to produce an answer, man. There are just too many cars that I want and too many builds that I want to do for this YouTube channel. And you know, we probably only have, what, another good 3 to 5 years before you can say bye to this type of YouTubing. So I need to hurry up and get these cars. Off the top of my head, 1990s, I think that's a Z32, Nissan 300ZX twin turbo, Mitsubishi 3000 GT VR4. Obviously, we gotta get a Mark IV Supra at some point. and I'll make the best content you've ever seen on YouTube with that car. There has to be at the very least one Corvette, hopefully a C5 Z06, and then a bunch of 1980s cars. I'd like to get a 1980s Trans Am or Camaro. I'd like to get a 1970 Mustang Mach 1. That's where they changed the body style. I love that body style. It would also be amazing to do a Plymouth Roadrunner build, but geez, I don't know. I have to get an Acura Integra in there at one point. Oh my goodness, I just passed a Subaru, of course. Subaru City. We gotta get some Subarus on this channel. There has to be an STI. Second gen BRZ will be done on my channel. I have to get a Porsche at some point. First generation Ford Probe GT Turbo. That was just off the top of my head. I mean, there's so many cars that I want to do for this channel. With all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I think Hamza is going to open his pre-order soon for the side markers. So if you're interested, I've linked his website in the description, and I will see you guys in another couple days. Charlie, what is this? What are you doing? Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hello, doggy. Hello, doggy. Yes, hello, doggy. You're helping Papa today. Yes, you are.